Hopefully you had a great weekend. I know for me it was full of watching the Olympics, but also I started seeing some talk about activity in the tropics. So let's check in with meteorologist Lee Southwick here. I see it behind you, and I see Florida painted orange. So tell me what's going on.
I was about to say, that sounds like a great weekend watching the Olympics. And then, yeah, this is a downer. Okay, so it's nothing to be too concerned about just yet. It's something that we, the weather team, are watching closely, and we will let you know if it becomes more of a concern. But still, yes, it could potentially bring some sort of impact to the First Coast by next weekend. So the latest update as of 2 a.m. gives it a 50% chance of developing into something tropical. So it's way out here east of the Caribbean, and it will start to move towards places like Puerto Rico, and that's when it could potentially get its act together. But what this blob is, it's not a cone. It's an area from the National Hurricane Center that says a tropical system could develop anywhere within this area. And yes, it does look like a cone. It looks like a system would be heading towards us, but this just means that we could get, say, a tropical depression or a tropical storm forming anywhere within this area. With that said, the National Hurricane Center does expect it to become a tropical depression by the middle to end of this work week, and that would likely happen somewhere around Puerto Rico. Models are all over the place on exactly where it's going to go and how strong it's going to be. So I'm starting with the European model. And this one is the scarier of the two models. It just shows the possible development near Puerto Rico, and then it makes it form into a more organized storm and hang off the east coast of Florida and really the east coast of the United States over the weekend and into Monday. Now, the other system, the American model, a lot less scary. It shows it trying to form by Thursday near Puerto Rico. It's just a blob. It's a disorganized cluster of showers and storms as it tries to head to the west coast of Florida. So all you need to know is that there's a lot of uncertainty with this, but it's something we will watch closely, and we encourage you to check back in over the next several days, really over this coming work week. Meanwhile, temperatures out there right now, 70s and the 80s, and it's going to be a drier day today. More on that coming up.
Well, this week we will find out just how long former JEA CEO Aaron Zahn could be spending in jail. He was found guilty of conspiracy to embezzle and wire fraud after a month-long